configuring Ricky's behavior in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to shape my tone, how proactive I am, my default response length, and what I confirm before acting. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Ricky Behavior from your dashboard. This page controls how I behave when your team interacts with me, separate from what I know, which lives on the knowledge base page. Start with tone, casual, professional, or technical, and my responses adjust to match. Set my alert sensitivity, how aggressively I should flag issues, from only answering when asked to surfacing things I notice, like a batch trending off its target gravity without being prompted. Set a default response length so I give quick answers unless someone asks for more detail. If there are topics or actions you want me to always confirm with a person before acting on, like sending a customer email, set those confirmation rules here. Power users can also add custom instructions to fine-tune how I respond. Save. These behavior settings apply organization-wide, so consider how your team actually wants to work with me before changing proactivity or confirmation rules broadly.